Hi, in this video we'll take a look at the pocket toolpath that's available in the CNC-Calc module of CIMCO Editor. So we're just going to check to make sure that the CNC-Calc plugin is enabled. So just check there's no tick in the Disable CNC-Calc checkbox. We go to the CNC-Calc tab and we're going to load our tutorial 1 drawing. Okay, we just checked the file type that we have loaded up, and then we're going to go click on the pocket milling icon and put a comment in. This will appear in the G code. Next we select the geometry that we want to machine. So we click on the geometry and it should chain all the way around. Now we're into the pocket parameters. So we can type in the cutter diameter, depth settings, so the retract height that the tool is going to come out at, the safe distance, and start and end depth. So I'm going to finish at -4, and the amount of stock to leave in X and Y and Z. So we're going to finish this part. The compensation type, the different options there for the finishing passes that will be used. So for the finished passes we can climb mill. Click on the side cuts tab. So these are the X and Y cuts that we're doing. So spacing and how many finished passes we're going to use to finish the profile. And the finished pass we can do it all the depth cuts or just the final depth cut. And the overlap distance on the finished pass, just to remove any burrs. And the smoothing, you can adjust this slider bar and it will change the toolpath to give you a smoother toolpath or rougher, so you can experiment with that. Depth cuts, so the Z cuts. So we're going to enable the depth cuts and how much to cut in Z. So 2 mil cuts, and use even depth cuts, so each cut will be 2 mil. And the Z finishing depth cuts, so do 1, and it's going to step down at 0.1 to finish. The linking, when we go by pocket, there's only one pocket here. So the entry strategy into the part, we can use plunge or ramp, and we can also use a helix entry, so we're going to use that one, and the angle of the helix is 5 degrees, the diameter make 3, clearance height 2 mil before the stock, and the minimum helix diameter that we can do is 0.2. Linearization, we can break the helix into G1 moves if we want for older controllers. Lead in, lead out for the finishing pass, we can enable that. And we can use a line to lead on to the finished profile. And the line can be perpendicular or tangent to the profile. And we're going to enable the use arc as well. Set a radius and a sweep angle. We can copy that to the lead out using these arrows. Click on OK once you're happy with the parameters, and then we can click on the Show Toolpath button to draw the toolpath on the screen. So you can see the roughing and the finishing pass as well. And we can export that now to the clipboard. Go back to our G-code window, and we're going to go to the end of the file and paste in the code using Ctrl-V. If we scroll back up, we'll be able to see our comment of pocket of where the pocket toolpath starts. You could have used a search